Hey Fox, no, Mac offers very good option for a zoom. Just like no, we have a magnifier in the Windows, so we have a zoom option. You know how to zoom. For example, if you touch two fingers two times on your trackpad like this, okay, okay, it's a full screen, so it will not work like this. If I do, you see, the Windows now zoomed. Okay, so same if you use in the browser like this. See, somehow it's making zoom, but it's not a much enough, right? So what we do, we have another option that is control. Hold down your control key and swipe up with the two fingers on your trackpad up and down. Okay. For example, if I swipe for up, now it's zoom. You can see if I hold the control key, swipe down with the two fingers, zoom out. Okay. Like this, it will zoom. Okay. And it will zoom out. But thing is, you can't make it move like, you can't see what's in the left or right. Okay. By clicking. You just need to move your mouse like this to go right and left. See? Just move your mouse like this. Okay? To make it zoom out, hold down the control key, swipe the fingers like this. Okay? Swipe the finger, two fingers to the down on your trackpad.